Zimbabwe slammed the door on foreign involvement in small-scale gold mining in a dramatic policy shift aimed at giving locals full control of the lucrative sector. Sarabina mashkubranyi watches a gold rush crackdown. Zimbabwe bans foreigners from small-scale mining. Terrible subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina Pangwen and Bold Truth, Anubranjara GT Mines Minister Paulette Kambamura announced that with immediate effect, only Zimbabwean citizens and fully locally owned companies will be allowed to operate in small-scale gold mining. Foreign investors already active in the sector have been ordered to either transition into large-scale mining operations or completely exit by January 2027. Government officials say that tough new measures are designed to protect jobs for ordinary Zimbabweans, increase national earnings from gold productions, and stop profits from flowing out of the country. Authorities also claim the clampdown will help tackle environmental destruction, illegal mining activities, and unsafe operations blamed on some small-scale miners. The decision is expected to send shockwaves through the mining industry, with the analysts predicting fierce debate over its impact on investment and gold output. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi panguva ino the Ministry of Mines yoya ichibana kuti aiwa all those foreign nationals whenever vachiita small scale mining panguva ino vonzi they must stop, otherwise panguva ino kana vachida kuramba vachida kukontinya with their operations they can turn to large scale. Doma developments arikuitika panguva ino ationa these new developments arikualawa vagari munyika yeZimbabwe vakwanise kuprovidwa neemployment. As we are seeing, the ruling party ZANU-PF is now moving towards the attainment of Vision 2030 through constitutional amendments. Arikuonekwa kunzi ari mubishi panguva ino. Pena comment section medu zofumira 8 mutikudipa mzuri kechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.